So what we need to do next is decide how we want our animation to appear right at the beginning. The first thing we want to have showing is we want to have our background showing that is our instruction background, and we want to have the button showing that says go to the animation. So you'll see down here we haven't got our sprites labelled very well. So if we click on the information button, we can label it. So this one is our go to animation button. So let's call it that. I'll go back. This is the grass. So we'll click on that and label it grass. So if you do that with all of your sprites, it just helps to keep a bit more organised. Now what we're going to do is we're going to decide what background we want at the beginning. So we've got our backdrops here. So we've got them clicked on, so you can see our backdrops and you can see the script here. Now what we want to do is we want to use the green flag. We want to have our instructions screen showing. Now the green flag is an event, so we go when the green flag is clicked, then we go to looks and we'll go switch background to, and we don't want the paddock showing, we want the instructions showing. Now we need to think about what sprites we want showing at the beginning and where we want them to be. So first of all we're going to go to our cow. Now we don't want him showing on that first screen. So we're going to go, and I'll just do this for you, when the green flag is clicked, we want him to hide. You'll see he will hide when I clicked that. If we click on our one that says start animation, so that's when it's already on the animation. We don't want that to show, so we go when the green flag is clicked, looks, and we go hide. Okay, so you can do that with the other ones. The go to animation, we do want that to show, so we do when the green flag is clicked, we're going to show that one. And of course the grass, we don't want that to appear right at the beginning because we want that to wait for when the cow is there so it can eat it. So we're going to go when the green flag is clicked, and we're going to hide that as well. Okay, now the other thing you want to know is that you want to know it's going to appear in the right place. So for example, with your instruction screens, you might have the instructions written at the top and you want the go to animation to be down at the bottom. So let's go back to that one. Now we're going to move it down here. And if we go motion, you'll see you've got these XY coordinates here. Now that is where this animation is now. So if I move it up there, you'll see those numbers change. Of course, as it goes higher up, the Y coordinate gets larger. As it goes down lower, the Y coordinate will get smaller and goes into the negatives. As I move it to the right, you'll notice that your X coordinate gets larger, but as I move it to the left, your X coordinate gets smaller and it ends up in the negatives. So anyway, what I want is I want it down there. So I'm going to get this go to and I'm going to put it there. Okay, so even if I move it over there for now, when I click this green flag, you'll see it'll be down the bottom. And all those other sprites hidden, and you've just got the background you want and the sprite you want showing.